Welcome to HOMECOOKIN Pro. If you are tired of spending hours over a hot stove after a long day at work, then you are going to want to pay close attention to this review. Today we are looking at the HOMECOOKIN 8-quart Programmable Slow Cooker. This appliance promises to take the guesswork out of family dinners, but does it actually hold up to the pressure of a busy kitchen? Let us dive into the details. First off, let us talk about the design. This unit comes in 3 distinct color options, including a sleek black stainless steel that looks genuinely premium on any countertop. It is not just about looks though. The oval shape is a major win for anyone who likes to roast large cuts of meat or cook whole chickens. With an 8-quart capacity, you are looking at enough food to serve 9 or more people easily. That makes this a serious contender for big family meals or weekend meal prep. What really sets this model apart is the versatility. This is not just a standard set-it-and-forget-it pot. It features a multi-use functionality that allows you to sear, sauté, roast, steam, and stew. Having the ability to sear your meat right in the same pot you use for slow cooking is a game changer for flavor development. You save time on cleaning up extra pans, and you get better results because all those juices stay in the pot. Control is another area where HOMECOOKIN has done a great job. You get full manual control over your time and temperature settings, which means you can adjust your cooking based on the specific cut of meat or recipe you are using. I was particularly impressed with the heat preservation function. If your dinner plans get delayed, the unit automatically keeps your food warm, ensuring you have a hot meal waiting whenever you are ready. When it comes to safety, they have built this with thick stainless steel. The exterior stays relatively cool to the touch, and the handles are designed to be heat resistant, so you will not be reaching for your oven mitts every time you need to move it across the counter. Plus, the tempered glass lid is durable enough to handle high temperatures over long cooking cycles. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is excellent, the extra large capacity is perfect for families, and the multi-use cooking modes provide incredible value for the price. The interface is intuitive, and the cleanup is straightforward since the pot is designed for heavy usage. On the downside, because this is an 8-quart unit, it does have a rather large footprint. If you have a tiny kitchen or limited counter space, you will definitely want to measure your area before buying. Also, while the manual controls are great for customization, those who prefer smart app connectivity might find the interface a bit old school. Overall, the HOMECOOKIN 8-quart Programmable Slow Cooker is a powerhouse. It is reliable, functional, and looks fantastic. If you need a durable machine that can handle massive family portions without breaking a sweat, this is a solid investment. It turns complicated dinner preparation into a simple process. Link in the description.